Good morning. We are doing a presentation on unit level data. So let us just type MOSPI, press enter. So we will get this website www.mospi.gov.in. Click here. So then we get this screen. We can see and we just scroll down. We have this option download tables data. So click on this and it starts with this unit level data of PLFS, unit level data and report on NSS 75th round, health, then social consumption, education. Now suppose I am trying to do this. So I just click on this social consumption, education. So unit level data is there. Here in between you can see this is given readme 75 round schedule 25.2 download data layout and unit level data. So once we click on this PDF file is very important for knowing how the data is to be structured, how many data points are there, where the multiplier is located, how to use the multiplier, all the details are available. So what we will do first is the moment we get it, we save it in one of the folders. So what I did is actually I created a folder with this name NSS 75252 and here I have already saved it readme 75 underscore 252. What is the utility? We will see it in a short while. So that is why I am pressing cancel because I have already saved. But even if suppose you have saved it once, it doesn't matter if you save it once again. Only thing it will give some, do you want to replace it? We write yes, so it is saved. So this part is done. Now how to get the data file? You see, if we move the cursor, then file name R75252L01, we get a hand. Now you just click on it, left click, and this entire data file has come. It is available on your screen. Now right click on your screen, you get this option save as. So now click save as. It will tell where to save. So 75252 I already created this folder. Now save. I saved this layout earlier, so that is why it is again showing. You close this screen. Now again you can open this PDF file, click on the next one. So the next data file is available now. Now we do again the same thing, save as. It is L02 save. It has saved. You can also press the back button to go back to the PDF file. So either you close, reopen, or you press the back button. Then this L03, 04, 05, one after another we will continue saving them. So L04 is very important because we will get all the demographic details of all the household members in this level 4 data. Once we see the schedule itself, that also we have to download because we don't know from the data per se what exactly are the things available in different places. It is much easier if we download the schedule, see the data items, and then we can easily relate which part is giving what. So we will require three things together. One is the schedule 75th round schedule 25.2. The next thing is this data layout along with description of multipliers and everything. So level 5 I have already downloaded. So now let me go back to this and download level 6 also. level 6, then level 7. It's really fast, it doesn't take too much time to download and save, because these are plain text files. It doesn't take too much time. And now, as I told, we should also have, in addition to these layout files, the actual schedule 25.2. So you can see here we have this appendix, this, that, estimation procedure, schedule 0.0, schedule 25.2. So this schedule 25.2 is very much necessary. So we have opened, and you can see here we have household characteristics. Then this is block 4, demographic and other particulars of household members. So we will have person level basic data here, and then the education particular on basic courses, then block 5 continuing on private tuition, and then for the purpose of national accounting we will be interested to know the expenditure, household expenditure. And so here particulars of expenditure for persons of age 3 to 35 years who are currently attending. So these are different types of expenditure like course fee, books, transport, private coaching, other expenditure, total expenditure. So if we want to find out, if we want to estimate at the state level or at the district level how much is the per capita expenditure on education for the households who have some persons who are attending educational institution, then this is the block where we have to concentrate in addition to the first one. So we will come to it subsequently. So therefore, I mean, this structure of the schedule and the data items of the schedule, to know all of it, we will require both these files, readme file as well as the schedule. So that is why I have now downloaded the schedule and saved it in the same folder. So now I have the schedule, readme file, and some of the data items